Good day and welcome to today's tutorial class. For today we'll be considering the problem as displayed on the screen, and it is produced using Autodesk Inventor CAD. Alright, I'm going to produce this object from the elevation. Alright, so clicking on my start to this sketch, clicking on this very plane, I'm going to pick my line right here. I'm going to produce this shape like this. Oh, I need to sort out that area and even this area here. Okay, so I'm going to sort out the area at the top there. So this right here, I'm going to trim out this excesses here. Okay, so using my perpendicular constraint, I'm going to pick this to this. I have that. So using my I'm going to pick a line right here. We're going to draw this to that junction up here. So that is that. So picking my dimension, I'm going to make this area a mark of 40 plus 40 plus 30. That's going to be 110. All right, I'm having that. So this back side here, that's mark of 95. Enter. I have that right there. Okay, so this area from this area to the bottom here. Okay, so sorry, that's an error. Picking my dimension from here to here is that's 30. Enter. Okay, and here to here is 20. Enter. Okay, so if that is the case, so my displace is is 20. Enter. All right, and my height here is the height here is 30. Enter. All right, so I'm having this object as displayed on the screen right now. I am picking a line like this. Standing here, I'm going to draw this line all the way down here. I'm going to draw a line like this. Okay, so picking my dimension, the distance from here to here is is a mark of 10. Enter. The distance of this area here is 30. Enter. And the height here is 15. Enter. Okay, and the mark from here to here is 40. Enter. All right, I think. Okay, one more thing. So picking my line, I'm going to stand just right here, produce this right here. Okay, inwards, the distance from the top to this line right here is 17.5. Enter. Okay, then I'm going to offset it at a distance of 12.5. so this line offset at mark of 12.5. Enter. So I have it in this order. Then I'm going to finish my sketch. Okay, finishing my sketch right now. I'm going to click my extrude. I'm going to click every of the surface available here. Okay, every of the surface available, I'm going to pick them aside from this area. Okay, and at a distance of 80. Then I'm going to use my symmetric here. Then okay, so I'm going to share my sketch. Sharing my sketch, clicking on extrude. Let's start with this first mark here. Do you see what I pick right there? Okay, oh, there's an error there. Cancel. So I'm going to actually this sketch here, sketch 1. Double click on sketch 1. Okay, so I'm going to use my line. I'm going to join this area to this area here. Then finish sketch. Okay, so clicking on my extrude now, I'm going to just extrude this area here. So extruding that area there at a distance of 20, using my my symmetric constraint and cut. I have that shape you are seeing right there. So picking my extrude still, I'm going to pick just this shape here. Okay, at a distance of 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 minus 80 is 60. Distance of 60. Okay, symmetric and cut. I have this, as you can see on the screen right there. Okay, so then I'm going to pick my revolve. picking my revolve, I come here, see what I'm picking here, please look. So not this first mark but this second mark. Okay, that 12.5, I pick that, I select on axis, then I pick, see the horizontal line under, not the one at the top, the one under right here. Okay, I click that, then I click on what, cut. So I have that. So as it is now, I can actually hide my sketch, hide the visibility. So that is that about that. So let me turn it to the back here, clicking on this face, clicking my create new sketch. I'm going to click on project geometry, click on this face, then what, okay. Doing that, I will just pick my line standing right here and draw all the way down here, picking my dimension from here to the bottom is mark of what, mark of 63, enter. And from this edge to this edge is going to be mark of what, mark of 20, enter. So I'm going to replicate the same thing on this other side here. Okay, yeah, you see it aligns with that height of 63. So the only thing I'm going to measure is here to here, which is what, 20, then what, enter. Finishing my sketch, clicking on my extrude, I'm going to click this, I'm going to click on through all. So it's already cut, I cut it, then what, okay. So you can see we are almost done with our object. All right, so clicking on this face, then create sketch. Creating a sketch, now I'm going to click on my rectangle like this, clicking on this rectangle like this, having this, that's going to be 15 by 15, enter. All right, then right here also 15 by 15, enter. So the distance between okay, 50 plus 15 is 65. Distance from here to here is what, that's 65, enter. But it is not centralized yet, so I'll be left with here to here to be what, 7.5, enter. So that's it. So after doing that, then from the edge here to this area here will be what, 7.5, enter. So that is it. Then what, finish sketch. Finishing my sketch, I'm going to click on extrude, clicking this face and this face. I'm going to click on what, through all, then what, cut, then what, okay. And that is the production of this object as displayed on the screen using Autodesk Inventor. So kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. My name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Michael Tech. Thank you.